Hey, I'm Aria. Let's make Excel Excel. Today we're covering WRAPCOLS, a function that takes a long vertical list and breaks it into multiple columns automatically. I'll show you two ways to use it, starting with a basic name list and then combining it with unique to create a compact category grid. Say you've got a long list of names sitting in one column and you want to lay it out across multiple columns instead. Maybe it's easier to read, maybe it just fits the page better. Either way, WRAPCOLS handles it in one formula. The syntax is simple. Give it the vector, which is your list, and then the wrap count, which tells Excel how many values go in each column before starting a new one. Here, I'm referencing the name column from the table and using 7 as the wrap count. Hit enter and Excel takes all 14 names and splits them into 2 clean columns of 7 rows each. Change that wrap count to 5 and you'd get 3 columns. Change it to 14 and everything stays in 1. Now let's combine WRAPCOLS with unique. Unique on the type column pulls out every distinct type in the dataset. Wrap WRAPCOLS around that and set the wrap count to 3. Every 3 unique types, a new column starts. Hit enter. Excel pulls all 9 unique types and lays them out in a clean 3x3 grid. Fire, flying, water, electric, all neatly arranged. Whenever you need a compact multi-column view of unique values, this combo gets it done fast. That's how you make Excel Excel. And if you want to take your Excel lists and data tools and turn them into a web app your whole team can use from any browser, check out SpreadsheetWeb. Your formulas, your logic, live on the web with no coding required. Link is below.